Hey guys, another textbook trade that shows how to make money trading gold. I was at the beach on Friday, scorcher. The trade had been listed on the watch list in our Telegram group. I'll explain this clip to you guys a little later on. But boo, on Friday the trade takes off and literally pays us. What we're going to do, we're going to look at the chart, we're going to put the lipstick on and explain what and why that caused us to take this trade. Here's the disclaimer. Let's get to it. Okay there, traders. Here's the trade that we're looking at. It's the trade on gold. I've partially got some of the lipstick on here for you. And let's just break down this trade. I put this on the watch list before. Over here, there's the level. There's price climbing up to the level. We got some reaction off that level. And here the expectation was that you get a break of the trend line, right? Here's our trend line break, and boom, it didn't happen. And what we come to find out is that this week was non-farm payroll. Price climbed up, as you see here, and look, it's a substantial break of the trend line. See that under here? Pulls back to it and continues on down. Now, of course, as usual, I'm getting in around here, but let's just compare it to over here. The trend line doesn't actually break. Okay, look at the yellow, which is the moving average, and the blue dash line, which is the moving average. This is the 50, this is the 200. They don't actually cross. Whereas here, we do get a cross. Okay, there's there's a lot to learn from that, really, to be honest with you. But anyway, let's just put the lipstick on, and we can do this together. Because some people have been asking, you know, where do you put your fib? Well, here it goes. You're watching me as I do it. Okay, we're going to fib the break of the trend line. Pullback is what we're looking for. We anticipate that at the 50% mark. If you just write this on each time, not the spelling, huh? If you just write this on each time you do the trade, you're going to get more and more experience as to what to expect with the trade. It's a beautiful pullback, right? It came back to the 50. And here's entry number 2. We also want to put that entry number 2 because, as we've seen, sometimes you might not get the pullback, right? And if you don't get the pullback, you still want to get the continuation trade. And in so doing, family's awake, so don't worry about that. And in so doing, you get the, if you don't get the pullback, you get the second continuation trade. You've been wicked in here, but then you're still going to get on down. Look at just that second entry, that's 264 pips. From the 50% pullback, 389 pips. It went a bit on, but as you know, our targets are really simple. We're just looking at target 1 in there and target 2 down there. I mean, that's all we're looking for. Okay, simple. You do the same thing each time. Now, I was actually on the beach whilst all this was happening, so I was not in front of my computer. You know, I put a pending order and walked away. Okay, you've got to spend time away from the computer. You cannot sit in front of the computer forever looking at whether or not a trade's going to work, how it's going to work, and so on and so forth. Put the trade on, put your lipstick on, walk away. Okay, you put a stop loss up here, and notice this: the stop loss was never at risk, right? In this situation, if it got hit, fine. There's so many of these trades happening that we need not worry. This trade, I believe, is going to pay us some more. I'll put a trend line. I'll expect to come up here. round about here. I'll put a trend line, break of that trend line. Then we got the continuation trade going on. But I mean, this is the strategy in a nutshell. This is what we do. You've seen multiple videos. We've got the book regarding the strategy, and you'll see this picture drawn out in the book. You'll see me playing this same scenario out regularly with consistent, because it works consistently in the market. Okay, so please help the channel to grow. Give a like, please subscribe. Also, if there's a particular currency pair that you would like, please put that in the comment below, and then I'll review some of the currency pairs that you actually like to trade. You noted also the young girls in the intro there. What in the hell were they doing in the street? I have no idea, but we'll just play out with the remainder of that video. Thank you for tuning in, guys, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you much. Bye-bye.
Oh my God. I think you don't go somewhere else with this, please.